Hello, welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea. If you're stopping by for the first time, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Aurea. Thank you for stopping by. Today I have several DIYs for you. I hope you like them all. And if you do, make sure to let me know which is your favorite. And now let's go ahead and start with the first DIY. So I have two fish bowls from Dollar Tree. I also have two type of yellow. You can use whatever yellow you want. Remember, it's going to be a pumpkin. I'm trying to do pumpkins with these fish bowls. I have gems also from the Dollar Tree. And here's some options. You could use wine cord or any wood stem that you might, have in hand or buy from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and clean these bowls out now. Now that they are clean, we'll go ahead and start painting them in the inside, not in the outside. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let you watch and see what I'm doing. So now that this set for 24 hours, I'm gonna go ahead and use these glass gems from Dollar Tree. I got the green and the clear. I have these leaves also that I found at Dollar Tree, 6-in-1 package. They have 3 different shapes of leaves. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick these 2. I'm gonna use the metallic gold from, what is this? This is acrylic paint, and I bought this at Walmart. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint them in gold, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start embellishing this beautiful glass pumpkin. I hope you like it, and if you do, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. And like I always say, if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would love for you to be part of my channel. So now I'm gonna do the same thing to this fish bowl, which will be turning out into be a pumpkin. That's what we're trying to do here, correct? I'm gonna use the green ones. Let me know which one you like better, the one with the green gems or the ones with the clear. Tell me in the comments section. I can't wait to hear what you got to tell me. I like the one with the clear. I'm not sure what you guys like, but please let me know. So I'm making these bowls. Please do not ask me how I made these bowls because, to be honest, I am not good at making these bowls at all. I watch Olivia's romantic home and she has the most awesome bowls ever. She calls them the Olivia Bowl. You should check out her channel, and if you do, make sure to tell her that I send you over DIY with Audia. So, like I always say, you could use whatever ribbon you desire, but this one I found at the Dollar Tree. I love it. It has little leaves and a touch of glitter. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous in my eyes. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. What do you think about this one? I love it. So tell me which one you like best. I am loving all three of them. I went on and I put tea light, battery operated tea light inside, and this is how they look. I am loving these. These are so beautiful and so high end. And I'm hoping you like it. Let's get ready for the next DIY. And using this acrylic white paint once again, I'm gonna go ahead and paint those Jenga blocks. I'm gonna be needing 4. And this is the way that I'm going to be gluing these frames. So sort of like in a triangle with the jingle blocks in the bottom. So this is the way the frame looks so far. I'm gonna try to make a bow with some Dollar Tree ribbons. Okay, so I really try my best to make this beautiful bow. I lost the footage, but that is rope from the Dollar Tree. I just went on and I put it around the frame. I thought I was recording, but I was not. I apologize for that. And this is the way it looks. I would love to hear your comments. If you've done something similar or anything with a fishbowl, comment below and let me know. And this is the way it looks with the tea light. I hope you enjoy it just like I have. And don't go anywhere because I have another DIY. I hope you enjoy it. For the next DIY, I'm going to be using these two colors, white and moss from Waverly. I got these at Walmart. I have these 4 pumpkins that came 4 in a package, and I bought this at Dollar Tree. And I got these signs. They have 6 in one package. This is the one that I'm going to be using. And these little cubes are also from Dollar Tree. They're made out of wood. So I'm going to paint this box that I found at the Dollar Tree and then set it to a side so it can dry. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the pumpkins. I'm going to paint all 4 of them with this moss color. Once that is dry, I started working on this skewer stick. I cut it and I made it look like a T, just like this, with a little bit of hot glue. And using this mop head, I'm taking a couple of strings. I'm going to take this piece of skewer stick that I glue as a T, and I'm going to start wrapping around. You could use yarn, you could use jute twine, you could stain it, make it your own. So I glue the pumpkins, I glue the blessed sign, I glue the handle, I put in a little bit of foam in there, and now Spanish moss. Put a couple of stems of these little white flowers. I also have several little pumpkins that came from the Dollar Tree as well. They're a little bit smaller than the ones that I made as the tires. I am loving this little wagon. I hope you're enjoying all of my DIYs. And if you have, don't forget to subscribe again. I would love for you to be part of my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification button like that you will not miss my next video. And don't forget to comment. And if you really like it, share it with your families and friends. Thank you and enjoy. And again, thank you one more time for stopping by. I truly enjoy making these videos. Let me know in the comments section what else you would like me to create. Thank you once again. Please be safe.